Alright guys, doing a quick video here of part 2 of the Woodpecker craft project. So, last video, if you watched it, you've seen it was just the bare works of the Woodpecker, nothing finished. And major change I made, other than obviously painting it and giving it wings and feet, was I had the wire here on the bottom coming down. Okay, I was pulling on the wire to make him work. I wasn't happy with that at all. So I decided to run the wire out and in and down on an angle to the other side. Okay, so depending on where you put it in the bottom hole or the top hole, you get a different angle when you pull it on the Woodpecker. So just give you a little demo here how it works. I just put these two pieces here of bark just to make it look like, you know, there's 3 trees there, a grouping, so to speak, and also to cover up the hidden hand behind working it. Okay, so give you an idea how it works here. She's doing her job pretty good, a lot better than before. Again, the metal on metal with the right here, metal and metal inside. Okay, from the beak goes inside, hits the other piece of metal, makes the noise, sounds similar to a woodpecker. So that's basically it for this installment. Originally I said I was going to put a female woodpecker and even the babies in a circle. Decided to stay away from that. I think I'm going to add another stump on the side over here, and put the make a circle and put the make a group kind of setting with the female woodpecker feeding the babies, and we'll see how that goes. But for now, I got to clean this up a little more, and he's working pretty good. As I think I told you in the last episode, this little red here, okay, on the male is what you can instantly tell is a male. Okay, and also the red on the top, the head, comes down further. The female stops up here. The males, it comes down further. You look for the longer stretch of red on the head and the red on the lip. That's what distinguishes them. The male and female can be spotted by looking at those things. So that's it, guys. Tell me what you